When your inspection equipment goes down, every minute matters. That's why MFE Inspection Solutions delivers expert repair and calibration services to keep your operation moving safely, accurately, and on schedule. Our trained technicians service a wide range of inspection tools, from ultrasonic thickness gauges to XRF analyzers and Borescopes. With service centers across North America, we offer fast turnaround times and dependable local support. We don't just fix what's broken. We calibrate your tools to meet industry standards and deliver reliable results, inspection after inspection. Have routine maintenance? Need an urgent repair? MFE is your trusted service partner. Reliable, fast, responsive support, real expertise. MFE Inspection Solutions, keeping your tools, your team, ready for whatever comes next.